Welcome to Blissful Family Life, building stronger, happier, and harmonious families. At Blissful Family Life, our mission is to empower you with valuable insights, practical tips, and heartwarming stories that promote love, understanding, and joy within your family unit. Inspiring parenting advice. Discover effective parenting techniques and strategies that nurture the potential of every family member, from the tiniest tots to teens and beyond. Fostering family bonds. Explore communication tools and relationship-building exercises to create lasting connections that strengthen your family's foundation. Creating lasting memories. Join us on heartwarming adventures and family activities that make lifelong memories full of laughter and love. A supportive home atmosphere. Learn how to foster a warm and welcoming environment where everyone feels valued and cherished. We believe that a blissful family life is within reach for everyone, and we are committed to being a positive influence in your family's journey. Together, let's navigate the challenges of modern life and celebrate the beauty of family togetherness. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our new videos. Let's build a blissful family life.